What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today we're going to be doing a brand review on the brand Lakenzi Menswear. Now I've done a review on Lakenzi a couple of months ago and you guys seem to enjoy that one, so I thought, you know what, why not order again? So here is the packaging. They ship DHL, which comes super quick, opposed to other brands where it takes, you know, almost 2 weeks to get your item. But we're going to go ahead and crack it. Now I ordered 3 items from Lakenzi. I'll show you guys in a minute. Alright, so here is the 3 items. Let's get into the denim first. So getting into the denim, as you can see, the branding is super official when you order from Lakenzi. But anyway, this is the belted denim. Now I have one other pair of denim from Lakenzi and I actually rock those a lot. So I'm really excited to get into these right here. I'll have the price point I paid somewhere on the screen, but this is the belted denim. So as you can see, this is this nice light wash denim, no zippers on the ankles, but I can tell you that Lakenzi does not lack when it comes to their quality. Now compared to some other brands that sell denim for around the same price point, I would say Lakenzi probably has my favorite quality. So actually just getting into it, as you can see, they call it the belted denim because it has a denim belt. Pretty self-explanatory. So getting into the details of this denim, as you can see, the wash is very nice, has that light cream wash. You have the denim belt, which if you don't like, you can also take off, but me personally, I rock with it. Then you have Lakenzi detailing on the button. Then you have a Lakenzi patch on the back in white, which makes it look super official. The quality on this, I'm not even lying to you guys, it's actually really nice. I can't wait to put these on body. So I want to talk about the sizing of this denim. Now, I like to go a size up just because I like my denim to fit a bit looser. So my suggestion, if you like your pants to fit a little bigger, you know, not so tight on the waist, you know, you have some room, then I would go a size up. But if you like yours to just fit, I would go with your true to size. So that's it for the denim. I mean, pretty basic, pretty essential. This is a pair of denim that you can wear with a lot of outfits, which is why I went with it. Okay, so next up we have the military pants in black. Now let's go ahead and get into these. I've been excited to get these in the mail. All right, so here they are. Right off the bat, I love the feel of these pants. I went with a size large in these as well. So getting into the details of these pants, you have the YKK zippers. Also, the pockets are really deep, so that's gonna be very useful. So you have the zipper there, and then when you come down to the cargo pocket, you have the normal cargo pocket. You can reach in, and then you have another zipper pocket right underneath. And this pocket is actually pretty deep as well, so you'll have no lack of storage when you wear these pants. Again, a nice essential to have in your wardrobe. I mean, you cannot go wrong with wearing cargo pants. And then at the bottom, you have the Velcro straps, which I really like. I actually prefer the Velcro straps over like buttons or zippers, so this is really nice. So if you want a baggier leg, you can go ahead and do that. And if you want it more tapered, you can do it, you know, it's all up to you. I guess it depends what sneakers you have on, because sometimes the tapered look looks better with certain sneakers and the baggier ones look better with certain sneakers, so it's all up to you. Now, like I said, I like cargo pants a little bit more than jeans or sweatpants. It's like that nice in between. Plus, I think most outfits go better with cargo pants anyway, but that might just be me. Now, speaking of sweatpants, we have the Snap Sweatpants in this gray color. Let's go ahead and get into it. Ooh, these are nice and like heavy duty. These don't feel like cheap sweatpants at all. Okay, so getting my first look at these sweatpants, I can say the quality is amazing. You have 2 cargo pockets on each side of the leg. And then when you get to the bottom, you have the buttons with additional Velcro straps. That way you're super secure. The buttons won't come undone or anything like that. And then when you go down to the leg, you have an adjustable leg opening here. So again, you can just decide whether you want a nice tapered ankle or a looser ankle, which is very nice to have. Overall, probably gonna be my favorite sweatpants in the rotation. And I promise you guys, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, so I'm not biased or anything like that. And that about wraps it up for me. Now, if you guys like any of these items, I'll definitely link them in the description below. I believe everything is 20% off right now, so if you see something you like, I definitely suggest grabbing it. So the code right now, if you wanna order, is welcome20. Just grab it when it's on sale, because I'm telling you guys, you will regret it later on if you don't. The one thing I like about Lakenzi is that you definitely get what you pay for, and it's that middle price point. It's not too expensive, and you're getting good quality when you order from them. So definitely check them out. I'll leave them linked in the description below, like I said. I always want to give you guys different options when it comes to streetwear. And right now, I would say Lakenzi is definitely one of my favorites. So that's going to be it for me. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.